Hello budding artists and creative minds. Welcome to my channel Watching You. Today I am going to draw and tell you about Bunty from the animated Indian series Chikoo or Bunty. In the bustling neighborhood of Sunnyvale, where chaos often took residence in the Batra household, lived the infamous Bunty Batra. Bunty was a force to be reckoned with, a pint-sized dynamo of mischief and marvel. In every episode, Bunty can be seen sporting a brick-red hoodie and comfortable sap-green capris. His outfit is complemented by white sneakers adorned with orange designs. Additionally, he always wears an orange wristband. One tooth has fallen from his upper jaw, and he sports uncombed dark black hair with dark brown eyes. Despite being shorter than his brother Chikoo, Bunty's energetic presence and mischievous grin make him a standout character in the neighborhood. Bunty has a lovely little family. His father's name is Rajiv Batra and his mother's name is Megha Batra. He also has a brother named Chikoo and loving grandparents whom he fondly calls Dada and Dadi. This animated series, developed at High Tech Studio in India, is broadcasted in multiple Indian languages. It spans across 2 seasons, with a total of 135 episodes. Additionally, 2 movies were released in 2022, Chikoo Bunty Best Sibling Count, and Chikoo Bunty Bag and Bag Express. A new movie, titled Chikoo Bunty in Haunted House, is set for release this year, in 2024. If there was trouble to be found, Bunty had already made friends with it and was probably trying to sell it back as a solution. Now, Bunty had a knack for making things happen, whether it was fixing a broken toaster, redecorating the living room with colorful chalk art, or convincing the neighbor's cat to join his impromptu dance-off. Oh yes, dancing was his jam, and with moves that could rival Michael Jackson and Tiger Shroff, at least in his mind, he strutted around the house like he owned the stage at Madison Square Garden. Beware if you ever crossed paths with Bunty during one of his infamous skirmishes with Chikoo. Age main chata hu, akal main nahi, he'd declare with all the bravado of a seasoned warrior, puffing out his chest in defiance. And just when things seemed to escalate, he'd threaten to whip up her worst nightmare, the dreaded Chikoo milkshake, a concoction rumored to be the ultimate sibling revenge. Yet for all his antics, Bunty's charm was as infectious as his enthusiasm. His best friend Twinkle was always by his side, probably because she appreciated a good laugh and a spontaneous dance party as much as he did. In Bunty's world, failures were just detours on the road to greatness. He believed wholeheartedly that one day, he'd invent something so ingenious that he'd never have to crack open another textbook again.
Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and let me know which character to draw next. Thank you for watching.